Hey there, I'm Parth, and this is day 22 of my 365-day challenge to level up my communication skills. And have you ever tried to make a good habit, but uh, you're not able to make the habit? You're facing some difficulties to perform what you want to do. You're just not able to do. So I also faced that same issue, and right now I'm not perfect. I'm also suffering from all the procrastination, all the bad habits, but I'm in the process also. But some of habits I had in my past, when I was 15 year 16-year old. So I was trying to do some of the things, but I wasn't able to do. But then these days, uh, just from the just in 2023 to 2024, everything changed for me. The thing is, there is lot of videos on YouTube who says this is the way to make a good habit. This is the way to leave bad habits and to do what we want, to follow schedules. But there is no way. If you try, if you will try like for 1 2 3 4 days, after some point, like 6 7 days, you will feel like you're not doing, you're just getting back to your comfort zone. So it happens to everyone. So if you are trying to do the things, if you are trying to make habits with some tricks, it is not going to happen. You have to follow something, uh, like it is not the trick, it is, there is no trick or tips it will help. The only thing which will help is your mindset. If your mindset is correct, everything will be good. So according to me, I was trying some, uh, to avoid some Instagram and avoid YouTube and lot of things like that. So I was trying, and this is also this challenge, this 365-day challenge. If I try to, work this out by some tricks, it will not going to work. The only thing is, if I am motivated enough to do this from my inner self, then I am going to do it. So a lot of times, like, you want to, minimize your screen time. So you're trying to, keep you are trying to keep away from your phone. But the thing happen, you can't, you don't able to do it. But the only way is to just think, I'm not going to do it. And you have to convince yourself. I don't know how you convince yourself. There should be a reason, strong reason. And the only way, this is the only way. And if we are using some tricks, like using some, you know uh, app blockers or something, screen time recorders, or uh, this, like, timer, app timers, it will not going to work, because I also try. And whenever timer is, uh, timer ends, I just delete the timer, and I, continue to watch whatever I am watching. So if you are not clear in your mind, external world doesn't matter for you. Some people, try to do this 21-day challenge. So I have tried this 21-day challenge also, but it doesn't really work out for almost everyone. So even you complete the 21 days, after 22 or like 22 or 23rd day, you will feel like you're not doing, you're just out of the track. So if you want to keep it, if you want to keep up with what you are doing, the only thing is, you have to keep your mind what you are doing. Maybe I am not able to explain this, but the way, maybe in future I can explain it by, making some scripts. Right now I don't have any scripts, just what I have in my mind I'm just saying, so that's why it is a little bit rough. So the only thing I think end of the day, the conclusion is like you just have to do what you want to do instead of what you're feeling, instead of what you want, what your desire says. Just do what your mind says. Just do what logically says. Just don't go for your feelings, for emotions. Just do. And anything and any other tips and tricks will not going to work out. So even you use this 21-day challenge, it doesn't matter. After 21 day you will be in your comfort zone. So if you want to be your if you want to get out of your comfort zone, then just do every single time. You have to be in the present and just do what is right now. And that's, I think, on the only way you can improve. So that's a wrap for today's video. I am on this 365-day challenge, and I would love to have you along in this ride. And if you have any random topic I should talk about next, comment below, and see you tomorrow.